Reader's Workshop Session 7. Readers think about what kind of word would fit. I have a friend that has a habit of finishing my ideas for me. She jumps in when I'm talking and says the word I'm thinking even before it comes out of my mouth. Today I thought you all could be like my friend. I'm going to make up a story. Listen carefully and think about what the next word might be. It was a beautiful, sunny, hot day. I wanted to cool off. I decided to go to your turn. Great, the beach. I grabbed my bag and started packing all the things I needed. I packed my swimsuit, my sunscreen, and my towel to lay on. Good job. I couldn't wait until I got to the beach. As soon as I got there, I flipped off my sandals and jumped in the water and started swimming. That was great. Did you notice how every time I stopped for a word, you had an idea for me? You listened carefully, and you knew that certain words sounded right in certain places. Readers can do the same thing in their books when they read tricky words. Today I want to teach you another tool readers use to get their job done. They listen carefully as they read to consider what word might come next. They think, what would sound right here? What kind of word would fit here? Here's our anchor chart. So we'll add think what kind of word would fit to this anchor chart. So here's a little mini lesson. We're going to use this tool to help us when reading Chapter 2 in Zelda and Ivy, the Time Capsule. Ivy sighed. She hugged Princess Mimi and added her to the box. Zelda buried the time capsule under the cherry. What would make sense there? Tree. You're right, cherry tree. Later that day, Ivy sat on the, what would make sense? Sand? Sidewalk? Stool? Let's see. Ivy sat on the swing and drew circles in the dirt with her paw. If only I had Princess Mimi, I could play castle. Inside the house, Zelda worked on her piano recital piece. If only I had my lucky jewel, I could get that crossover hands perfect. Readers, your toolbox is filling up. You've got tools that you have been using for a long time, tools you are just starting to use. Let's remind ourselves of all of the things we can do when the job gets tough. Good habits for solving hard words. Check the picture. Look at all the parts of the word. Get a running start. Check it. Do a double check. Try the vowel 2 ways. Crash the parts together. Do a slow check. Say the word the best you can. Think about what it means. And then here are some tools for solving and checking hard words. Try something and check it. Does it look right? Sound right? Make sense? Think about what's happening. Think of what kind of word would fit. Now it's your turn. Today, as you go off and read, listen carefully to your reading. And when you get to a tricky word, you can think about the kind of word that might come next.